So you want to turn this thing into a money-making machine. Let's go! If you've always had an interest in videography as a side hustle or a new business venture, but have no idea where to start, here are a few things to get you on the right path. So first, you need the tools to do the job, and that means the camera, the lights, and the way to capture good audio. So what makes the camera the right one for you? The best way I'd gauge that is how well do you know your device? How fast, comfortable are you with the camera that you're using? Because when you get to a shoot, the majority of the time spent should be towards setting up the light, audio, directing the talent, and communicating with your client. And drink coffee. You can even use your phone to shoot, but I suggest downloading a filmmaker app that allows you to adjust the settings, like this app called ProTape. So here's the disclaimer. From experience, this industry does get a little funny, where the more professional your gear looks, the easier it is to put your client's mind at ease. It's weird, right? But perceived value was a whole other video. Now for lighting, some would say to buy the budget-friendly items and then move your way up, and others would say invest in the higher end ones so that it'll last you a very long time and for a quicker workflow because you're familiar with it already. I would choose a Softbox Lighting Kit, as soft light is what you want to work with. But whatever you do, choose something, because just using the light in the room will make you look like a noob. And we're here to make sure that we build a foundation so that we can improve on it and not just start a basic fundamental in the middle of your journey. Audio is 50% of your visual experience. Crazy, right? And some would argue that this might even be more important than your quality of camera. There are so many options for audio, but here are a few. The most common is a shotgun mic, a microphone that plugs into your camera and mounts to the top of it. It is a directional mic, meaning it will prioritize the sound wherever you point to. Then you have the lav mic, or the lapel mic, a wireless radio frequency system that allows you to pin the mic onto the subject and capture better audio in spaces that have a lot of reverb and echo. The next one is the external recorder, a device that has a huge variety of price ranges, but this is great for wedding videography or anything that is run and gun, because the shotgun mic means that you have to be in close vicinity of the subject, and the lav mic takes time to set up. One downside to external recorder is that you gotta take the time to match the audio when you're editing. Editing software. There are a few free editing softwares that you could start with. It's a great way to understand putting videos together and transitions from one shot to the next. There's nothing wrong with diving into a more complex software right away as well. Just make sure you commit to learning the function, as editing can become faster and faster. So as long as you justify the quality of work you do, you will probably be able to make a few sales, and that brings me to the next point. You gotta get a highlight reel. Something that's compiled together, or in the photography world, they would call this a portfolio. It's a compilation of your best shots, showcasing your style and the types of shoots you specialize in. To achieve this, you gotta do a few free shoots, either for friends and family, or you can approach businesses and see if they like a free video. This will allow you to gather your best shots and also practice getting comfortable with approaching people about your video services. But here's a hack. I've created one free real estate video for a high-end home because that was the niche I wanted to try, and I was able to use those footage to get paying real estate clients right away. So in your case, if you could do one shoot for a reputable company, you could potentially save all that time and get your first paying client. But the catch is, you have to establish your niche already. Third thing is make sure that your social media is showcasing everything you do. If I land on your page as a client and all you have are pictures of your cats, then that tells me you're not a serious videographer, but that you love pussy. You have to treat this like a business, and content marketing is the best way to put yourself out there. It's free. So here are a few value-giving content ideas as a videographer that you could start posting today. Pictures and videos of you creating. This is valuable because it shows your potential clients that you actually like and care about this craft, and not just out here trying to make a quick dollar. People can sense passion based on what you put out there. Short vlogs. These demonstrate your editing abilities and who you are as a person. If you can get 1-minute vlogs where you're just living life, it can build trust with clients who watch it. Passion projects. I can't tell you how many times I've gotten clients just from my own passion projects that I've done. Passion projects can be broken down into smaller pieces of content, from behind the scenes to the actual projects itself. This will get your confidence and experience up so that you're not so nervous and anxious when you're shooting your first few clients. If you got any questions or topic ideas you think I should talk about regarding videography, let me know in the comments below. My name is Ken. Peace.